Dr. J here from LifeSpine Health Enhancement Center. This week's video talks about the 6 biggest lies that the food industry uses to market and advertise to us consumers, and it can be a little bit confusing. And unfortunately, the way that they use certain words helps encourage us to buy their product, but it may be giving us the wrong idea. We could be thinking we're buying a healthy product, but it could have many hidden things that are in there without us ever even knowing that they're there. Whether it's hidden calories, hidden fats, hidden sodium, or additives and preservatives that can harm our health over time and harm the lives of our family. So I will encourage you to read this for yourself on our website, lifespinecenter.com. But here I'd like to share with you some added information of how we can help here at LifeSpine Health Enhancement Center. We have a unique, comprehensive clinical nutrition program for those who want to take their health, particularly their diet and nutrition, to the next level. Because there's a lot of misinformation out there, and it can be very, very confusing for someone to do the right things in the right order and get the best outcome in the end. And science-based nutrition eliminates all the confusion, and it's able to identify specific faults and specific needs for every unique individual and give the right program, both dietary recommendations and also use of supplementation to fill in the gaps and provide you with the best wholesome nutrition that you need to allow your body to heal itself and to overcome perhaps some symptoms or disease that you've been living with for the last several years or decades. Science-based nutrition is the only program in the area that uses a comprehensive blood panel, the same tests that your medical doctor would use. However, we're not just simply listening to your symptoms and picking 2 or 3 tests to do to evaluate how your liver may be functioning or your thyroid may be functioning. We use over 55 tests that evaluate your body as a whole, including your comprehensive blood panel, your lipids, your cholesterol, your blood chemistry, your vitamins, your minerals, your components of your blood that keep you healthy, the building blocks of your health. Also, we look at your thyroid, your liver, your kidneys, the entire system as a whole, because you could have symptoms of liver dysfunction, but it might not be the liver itself, and the blood tests that your doctor uses may say your liver's just fine. But there's other areas that send to your liver that could be the problem and might be floating under the radar and not being looked at. And this comprehensive program will identify everything, pulls the covers off the problem, and just looks at it objectively. The other thing that we utilize with science-based nutrition is to determine how your body is eliminating harmful toxins from the body. And the way we do that is through a hair analysis. By sending out some clippings of your hair, we can evaluate how your body is effectively removing these harmful substances from the body, or find out if they are accumulating within the body. And these are toxins such as heavy metals like mercury and aluminum that we get from the cosmetics that we put on our skin, the shampoos and chemicals that we use on our body. They could be household cleaners or industrial hazards that are in our work environment that we may not even know we're being exposed to at harmful levels. And in a healthy body, we can normally get rid of these things. But for some individuals, and it's impossible to identify who, these harmful substances will accumulate within the body and slowly make us sicker over time and be producing very strange symptoms that are very difficult to pinpoint through normal medical testing. So the type of person that this program is best for is for that person who is really truly concerned about their health and wants to have the best nutrition they can possibly have so that they can prevent problems from developing. That's the first person. But the other people that I'm more concerned about are the people who are having the problems. The people who have had these difficult to pinpoint symptoms, whether it's feeling run down all the time, the energy level's not where it should be, the hairs falling out or becoming brittle, the skin has hives or itchiness or rashes or sores that come and go. We have really bad digestive problems. And these are problems that typically would have medication thrown at them to address the symptom. But unfortunately, they're allowing the problem to continue, and not only that, get worse over time. So if you or someone you know and care about is on prescription medications and particularly don't want to be on them, this may be an avenue to understand why those symptoms are happening, but more importantly, give a natural approach to not only relieving the symptoms, but allowing the body to heal itself so that we can live a healthier life and have that longevity that we've been searching for. So that's the main point of this video, is to share with you those 6 biggest things that you can start to learn now so that you can make better dietary choices. But if that alone isn't doing it and you want to see exactly what's going on, this is the program for you. And we are the only physicians in the area who have this type of extensive work. Included in the work is a typed, color-coded, written report. Usually it's around 15 to 20 pages, and I sit down with you and go over those results one by one so that you have a firm understanding of why it is you're experiencing the problem that you're having and what we can do to help. I hope this helps give you some added information to improve your lives immediately. Once again, this is Dr. J from LifeSpine Health Enhancement Center.